DJM TV.
Wahala for former registrar of JAMB as ICPC don hold am on top corruption matter. My betterlicious somebody, I welcome you to yet another edition of DJM TV Daily News Update. That your one-stop channel where they give you all the ogbonge gist and story them, where they share them for inside Nigeria and all around the world. That person like say, we dey follow up on matter until we carry you reach the ending of that story. We don't come again. I beg, if this is your first time when you see any of our video, make you not forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. After you don't subscribe, I beg, touch that maybe like bell for there so that it go dey notify you say something does share anytime we be like say we drop video on top DJM TV. Now also forget, so if you follow us on all our social media handles for Facebook, for Twitter, for Instagram, and even for TikTok, we dey there for you. You fit still place your adverts with us. Now to the matter where we carry come. Wahala don burst for the former registrar of JAMB as ICPC don hold am on top some kind koroke waka when im do the time when im be registrar of JAMB and also oga for NECO. The Independent Corrupt Practices Commission (ICPC) arrest the ex-JAMB registrar Oga Ojerinde on top the 900 million naira pencil and eraser contract fund when he carry out during e tenure. They say Mr. Ojerinde carry out this fraud as JAMB registrar between April 10, 2012 and August 1st, 2016, and also when he be the registrar of the National Examination Council wey they call NECO between 1999 and 2007. The Independent Corrupt Practices Commission (ICPC) don talk say the suspect since the arrest am don dey answer some kind question on top allegation of multiple identities when he get, abuse of office, money laundering, tax evasion, and making false statements and awarding wayo contracts to companies wey dem no fit trace. For their statement wey dem release, dem talk say Professor Ojerinde wey dem arrest on the 15th of March 2021 for inside Abuja there by operatives of the ICPC don dey alleged to commit say he commit multiple frauds while he dey head the Joint Admissions and Matriculation Board (JAMB) and the National Examination Council wey be NECO. They say they don detain am for the commission headquarters for questioning over the allegations the way they don make on top of his head. Dem also talk say the former JAMB boss dey answer some questions wey concern some kind kurukere contracts when he award to shell companies wey dem no fit trace. They never know where all these companies dey even dey sef. They also talk say he don dey alleged to say he award contract for the supply of pencil and eraser at the cost of 450 million naira 2 times to 007 Concept Limited and to Preston Global Concept Limited between 2013 and 2014 while im be head of JAMB. They say they don't see any evidence to show say this pencil and eraser wey they buy at 450 million naira, these separate years from these 2 different companies, say they even supply and give students as examination materials. They say because even the contractors themselves when they give the contract, they don't even see the contractors them. Now the anti-corruption agency also talk say this guy also award the same pencil and eraser contract give Solid Figures Limited, Holy Work Limited, and other companies for various sums without any trace of the execution. And they say Professor Ojerinde they hold am on a remand warrant and they go soon charge and go court upon the conclusion of their investigation. we go remember don say the commission announced for April 2020 say they don obtain one order of interim forfeiture of some kind properties dem wey belong to this Mr. Ojerinde. And for the public announcement wey they put for one of the national daily papers dem, the commission don say the seizure of these properties e dey follow one ongoing investigation against the JAMB registrar upon excess properties wey e acquire. The commission say that they also dey investigate one matter wey also involve Professor Dibu Ojerinde of the Faculty of Education, Obafemi Awolowo University, Ile-Ife, Osun State, where certain immovable properties dey owned by the said person. The commission believes say these immovable properties they na Mr. Ojerinde get am, and they dey excessive when they consider the salary wey they receive and other relevant circumstances dem. The ICPC don talk say the seizure of this asset e dey in line with section 45 number 4 subsection A and B of the Commission Year 2000 Offence Act. They also add say these properties na either Mr. Ojerinde dey control them, or na im attorneys or agents or other people dem wey dem no know na im dey operate these properties. As such, they don seize the properties they comot for im hand. Some of the properties wey dem seize comot for this former JAMB oga hand na Trillion Learning Center along Yidi Road, Ilorin, Kwara State; MRS Filling Station, Shango Road, Ilorin, Kwara State; Sandbar Club House wey dey for GRA for Ilorin for Kwara State; Kiddies Cove Educare wey dey for the same GRA for Kwara State; Chingbe Marble Factory, 5-bedroom detached duplex for Abuja; 4-bedroom bungalow wey dey for EFAB City Estate for Abuja; another 5-bedroom detached duplex wey dey for the same EFAB City Estate for Abuja; 1 unit of 2-bedroom semi-detached bungalow for the same estate; 3-bedroom bungalow wey dey for Kuda Estate for Abuja; Pakan Filling Station along Ife Road for Oyo State; Okeafi Hostel for Ladoke Akintola University of Technology, Ogbomoso, Oyo State; 1 unit of 3-bedroom bungalow wey dey located at Accra, Ghana. All these and many more na some of the properties wey dem seize comot for this former JAMB registrar hand. Now, my people, how una see this matter? 900 million naira on top pencil and eraser matter. Una no vex o. Pencil wey dey sell 20 naira, abi eraser wey dey sell eraser too dear well 50 naira for one eraser. Now they say they use 900. You dey hear the amount? 900 million naira. Now they say they take award contract of pencil and eraser. Nigeria, they no go. Hey God, oh! I don't talk before say Nigeria. You be like say every week if they get one new thing where they happen. Might just say every day. Nigeria be like that storybook wey we read up my school. 1 week, one trouble. Now so it just be for this country. How you go tell me say they award contract to buy pencil and eraser? Probably at the company they make the pencil and eraser for 900 million naira. Now see all the property where ICPC say they seize comot for this man hand. All this one are because of misappropriation of fund, money laundering. You know they pay tax, different things there. Now the same JAMB, now they tell us say snake enter their headquarters, go swallow money. Now matter that they play, now matter they tell us not to say. So for this money now pencil and eraser, how they use the money to buy. Man, not to about emphasize the matter because it don't vex me. You chook your mouth put for this matter. As ICPC arrest and so seize the property, it good that be no good. Because this Nigeria is a strong thing. Now would they like? You tell me to also use 900 million naira to buy pencil and eraser. It good. It good well. I bet chook your mouth put for this matter for the comment section. We go to read your comments. Don't forget say this na still DJM TV daily news update. That person they give you all the better gist and the breaking news. We happening gist for this country. and all around the world. And I beg, it's not the first time when you see our video. When they say they beg you, say I beg, but you don't forget to subscribe and to like and then share this video. Also, don't forget to follow us on all our social media platforms: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. We did there for una. But you don't forget, so you still place your advert for DJM TV. Check our bio, click the link where they show for this video. It will take you go where you fit see our numbers, where you fit contact us on top how we go fit carry your business forward for you on top DJM TV. Well, now we take on to the end of this edition of DJM TV Daily News Update. Until I come your way again with another ogbongelicious story, but you not forget, say my name na still Lawuro Favor.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
People don't say no, they don't like it.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.